As cell phones and telecom have entered nearly every part of modern life, you may have already been familiar with some of the vocab we just introduced. The finer grammar points, however, may still be a bit tricky without first having a closer look. Among the grammatical concepts we're going to look at, we'll discuss how to express enough at all as soon as A, then B, and then, and only then. 就够了。就够了 literally means is enough. Let's start our practice with a romantic example. I have you, that's enough. 我有你就够了。Let's look at another scenario. If you're looking for an apartment to rent, all you need is not a very big place, but a small, cozy one with a bed and desk. How do you phrase it? 我不需要很大的房子，有床、桌子就够了。What if you go out with your friends for dinner, but you find that you're not hungry and all you need is a bowl of soup? You can say, 我现在不饿，一碗汤就够了。一点都也不 plus adjective. Remember the previous scenario that you only need a soup when going out with your friends, but you found out that 一碗汤要200块美金. But you're not as rich as Bill Gates. Then suddenly you're no longer hungry. Not hungry at all. You can say, 我一点都不饿，你们吃就够了。Yes, so this 一点都不 means not at all. Imagine you're tutoring a kid. You can say, 这个问题一点也不难，你再想想。By encouraging him or her to think about the question. If you are questioning why so many people like a performer that you think he or she does not perform well at all, then you can say, 他演的一点也不好，为什么那么多人喜欢他？只要就 Now your friend asks you how the performer can do better. Your answer is to smile more. 他只要多笑一点就够了。只要 means as long as, a conjunction presenting a condition before the consequence. It is introduced by 就 as long as the condition is met, the consequence follows. Let's try more sentences. You just have to practice more, then you'll improve really fast. 你只要多练习，就会进步得很快。How about, as long as he can do this thing well, that's enough. 他只要能把这件事做好就够了。才 Our final grammar point for today's lesson is 才. This word tells us that some huge amount, quantity, or even some fixed situations should be satisfied first in order to proceed to the next action or situation. Try some examples. You have to first fill out the form, then you can take a number. 你得先填完表，才能拿号码牌。We all know Phelps swims well. Does it mean that he doesn't have to practice swimming at all? Definitely not. He practices every day. That's why he swims so well. 他每天练习游泳才会游得那么好。Yes, practice makes perfect. No pain, no gain. Our final pin today is if your purchase is over $1,000, you could use a credit card. 买1000块以上的东西才可以刷卡。